A is for apron, used to cook, keeps you clean, just take a look. B is for bell, ringing loud, heard in school or in a crowd. C is for camel with hump so high, walking slowly under the sky. D is for desk where kids all write, learning letters day and night. E is for engine, starting strong, helping trains move along. F is for fork, shiny and neat, used at the table when you eat. G is for globe, spinning round, showing places to be found. H is for hen, clucking away, lays fresh eggs every day. I is for igloo, built from snow, a winter home with a frosty glow. J is for jar, filled with jam, spread it on toast, yum, yes ma'am. K is for key, opens the door, unlocks treasures to explore. L is for ladder, climbing tall, helps you reach what's on the wall. M is for magnet, sticking tight, pulling things with all its might. N is for nail, shiny and small, holds up pictures on the wall. O is for owl, awake at night, eyes wide open, glowing bright. P is for pan, sizzling hot, cooking food right on the spot. Q is for quilt, soft and warm, keeps you cozy through any storm. R is for rope, strong and long, helps you climb or swing along. S is for seal, clapping its fins, sliding on ice with joyful grins. T is for truck, moving loud, hauling goods to every crowd. U is for umbrella, blocking rain, keeps you dry again and again. V is for vase, holding flowers, bright and fresh for many hours. W is for window, letting in light, shining bright from day to night. X is for x-ray, see inside, shows your bones where they hide. Y is for yo-yo, spinning fast, up and down, fun at last. Z is for zebra, stripes so bright, running quick with all its might. That was the AB Stokowski song, learning with animals and objects from A to Z. Subscribe to Little Animal Melodies for more ABC songs every day.